Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh my lord, do I have a pin haul for you guys. I'm breaking this up into multiple pin hauls. Today we're going to go over all of the like princess movie themed pins that I've purchased because I literally cannot go through all of these in one video. So I'm gonna do a princess themed one today. I have a Star Wars themed one coming, and then kind of everything else that I accumulated, things I traded for, etc. over the course of my trip. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started because holy Jesus, do I have a lot of princess pins to show you guys. Guys, I have so many pins. Oh my lord. We're going to start with Cinderella because I only got one Cinderella pin here to show you. This was a pin that I traded for. It definitely looks like it's possibly a fake to me. She's a little blurry and not in the best quality. But I had a lot of pins that I wanted to trade and get rid of. So I figured might as well get something that fits my collection, which is why I got her. Next up, I'll do Pocahontas because I only got one Pocahontas pin. And this was in the Dogs and Cats mystery box collection. I'm going to do a whole video where I show you everything that I unboxed within that collection. I bought a lot of these to try and get the 3 pins that I wanted. And this is Percy from Pocahontas. Literally so cute. I love that he's on his little pillow. I love that he's got his little stank face on. And I just thought he would look cute in my little Cinderella collection. Cinderella. Pocahontas. My Pocahontas collection. Next up, I'm going to do Sleeping Beauty. I got 2 Sleeping Beauty pins. One I traded for, one came in a mystery box, and it was one that Zoe bought, but this was a duplicate for her, so she handed it over to me. So the Maleficent that you see is the one that we got in the World of Evil mystery box. And she's cute. She's kind of in like a Tsum Tsum cutesy stylization. And then the Aurora that you see was a pin that I traded for. Once again, I think there is a high possibility that she is a scrapper pin or a fake, but you know what? I would rather have one that fits my collection that's a little ugly than one that I don't know, that I don't have anything to do with. I'm going back to Pocahontas because I did forget one. This is also one that I traded for. Again, I think this is a flawed pin. I don't think that this is how it's supposed to be. I think it's missing like its entire internal enamel, but I'm not 100% sure because I have one other pin in this exact same thing that is also missing all of its internal enamel. I mean, interesting, you know, design choice if that's the case, but I also have an Aladdin and Jasmine pin with same situation. They're missing all of their internal enamel. So thought that was kind of interesting. Next up, I'm going to do Mulan. I picked up, I can't get the backer off. I picked up 2 Mulan pins. One of them Zoe gave me, actually, no. Yeah, one of them Zoe gave me because she actually traded for this pin and then got it in a mystery box, which is really funny. And the other was just like a standard open edition $9.99 pin from kind of, you know, all the princess select collection, but this one is way prettier than a lot of the other princess pins. So the Mulan and Mushu on the right is part of the BFF's mystery box, which, like I said, Zoe opened and unboxed, and it was a duplicate since she traded for it already. And then this one over here is just part of like the open edition princesses you know, pins. But I just think it's stunning that there's the fan. Mulan's like in fight mode. It looks like she's in the China Pavilion at Epcot with fireworks behind her. I just think these are seriously such pretty pins, and I'm excited because these are actually my first 2 ever Mulan pins. And so well, I do have a Mulan pin from Hong Kong Disney, but other than that, those are my only Mulan pins. So that's really exciting. Next up is Beauty and the Beast. I have one Belle pin again, which I think is a fake. I traded for it, but I do think it's a fake. And then another one, which I traded for, that is, I don't think it's a fake because it is in great condition in my opinion. And I think it's really cute. And then I have a Gaston pin, which came in a mystery collection. So here are all three of those. The Belle in the Rose is the one that I got, that I traded for. She kind of fits some of the other ones that I traded for, which is why I picked her up. The dresser pin I also traded for, but I do not think that this one is a fake. I think it's really well done. I think it looks really gorgeous, and I'm excited to have that one in my collection. And then the little Gaston guy was also in a World of Evil mystery pouch, which Zoe unboxed. And it was a duplicate for her, so I went ahead and took the extra one to add to my Beauty and the Beast collection. Also, fun fact, if you have a Cricut or this specific Cricut tool and don't want to use your nice nails to get your pins off your board, this little tool is great for doing that, because that's what I'm using to do all of these. Next up, I'll do Princess and the Frog. So I picked up 3 Princess and the Frog themed pins. The first one you'll see right here is Tiana and Naveen as frogs getting married. It says current mood. This was from a mystery box collection, and Zoe and I bought many of these trying to get this specific pin for me, and we finally got it, which I'm so excited about. This cat one right here is also part of the Dogs and Cats mystery box collection. Also opened many boxes trying to get me that one. And then the bottom is just an open edition of Dr. Facilier. I really think that that's a cool pin, and it's my first ever Dr. Facilier pin, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm excited to have these in my Princess and the Frog collection, because that collection is steadily growing. And I'm very excited about that because I've just recently fallen in love with that movie. All right, and I've added all those to my Belle Princess pin board, and she's getting quite filled up. So good thing I went ahead and ordered 2 more pin boards from Etsy before I left Disney, because I'm gonna need them very soon. That's for sure. Next up, I have Snow White. I only bought 1 Snow White pin. Well, I didn't buy it, I traded for it. And it's the same, you know, style as the, you know, the Belle in the Rose. I got Cinderella in the perfume bottle. I got Aurora in the flower. And this is kind of similar. It's Snow White in a sunflower. Once again, I can't tell if these are fakes or not. It's really hard to tell because the quality is definitely not great, but I know that this collection like existed at one point. So I again traded for this pin, and it is really cute, and I'm excited to have it because I don't have, well, this is my first actually Snow White pin. So yeah, and I'm excited to have at least one to, you know, kind of celebrate the original Disney princess. I also got this limited release Earth Day 2021 Te-Fiti pin. This was $19.99, and I got one of these for my friend Shelby as well because she loves Moana, and Zoe actually got one of these too. I just, like, we don't see Te-Fiti that much, and this pin is so beautiful. I literally could not leave without it, and I'm really excited that I got this pin. Look how pretty she is. Ugh. I love this. I would love if they did a Te-Ka pin so I could put them next to each other. Disney, hire me. Next up, I'm gonna do Little Mermaid. I got a lot of Little Mermaid pins. So I'm gonna pull these off, put them on my board. Give me a second and I'll show them to you guys. All right, I have 10 Little Mermaid pins. Oh my goodness. So starting at the top, we have this Scuttle pin, which actually came in a 3-pin collection that was like 80s hair. This pin also came in that collection. It just says Hairspray on it. And there was a dingle hopper that I gave to Zoe. I traded for this dingle hopper, which I don't know if it's the same one that comes in this collection, but anyways, I got a little dingle hopper, which I think is really cute. Over here I've got King Triton as a Tsum Tsum, I believe, and he's super cute. I also traded for him. Down here I have Sebastian, and it says current mood. It matches that Princess and the Frog one I showed you guys earlier, and this was a mystery box collection. I wasn't like crazy about this pin, but we got duplicates of it and it fits my collection, so I figured I'd go ahead and hold on to it. In the Disney Cats and Dogs collection, you guys, I probably bought like 15 boxes trying to get Max, and he kept not showing up and I was getting so mad. I am going to put in footage of me opening the boxes in a different video. But I'm not kidding you. I was like, if he's not in this box, I'm not buying one more. I literally cannot keep spending money on this same box. If it's not meant to be, it's not meant to be. Open the first pin, wasn't Max. Open the second pin, it was finally Max. Literally finally got him. I just wanted him. That's all I wanted. And it finally happened for me. So I am very, very excited to have Mr. Max right here. This one I believe came in the BFFs collection mystery box, and I think Zoe opened this and passed this one on to me because she's not like a big Ariel enthusiast. This one came in a mystery box as well, but now I'm not able to think of the name of it. I think it was like the Disney Attractions one or something like that. I think that's the right one. And so I really like this pin of her and Flounder together as well. And then down here, this is just an open edition pin. Every month they're coming out with a pin that matches kind of this style but represents a different movie. I have already purchased the Cinderella and the Beauty and the Beast ones of these. There's also Sword in the Stone and what's the other one that's out right now? Peter Pan, that are really gorgeous, but they just don't fit my collection, so I didn't buy them. This one came in a mystery box, and it was kind of a villains entirely like comic book themed mystery box. And Zoe didn't want Ursula. She's not a big Ursula collector, so she handed this one over to me. And then this pin I traded for. This is probably one of my favorite trades. There's definitely a possibility this is a fake. I'm not 100% sure. But the reason that I'm excited to have this one is originally I was thinking, I bought it, or I traded for it because I was like, oh, it's one of Ariel's sisters. Then I walked out and I was like, oh, you know what? That might be a Mermaid Lagoon mermaid. But then I realized that it is, because I looked it up. I think this is Arista. Oh, now I'm going to get it wrong. Is it Arista? Yes, this is Arista. And so I'm really excited to have this because I love Ariel's sisters. I definitely want to collect pins of all of them. Whether it's all in one pin or individual pins of each of the sisters. So yeah, those are all of the 10 Little Mermaid pins that I purchased or traded for. Okay, and is this the last movie? This is the last movie. Now I have all of the Aladdin pins. Okay, so the first 3 that I got, this is actually a booster pack that was $27.99 and came with 4 pins. You'll notice one is missing. There's an Abu that's in like fight mode and it's really cute, but I gave that to Zoe because she really wanted an Abu pin. And so the other 3 of these, sorry, this Jasmine one is the main reason that I bought this, because holy geez, does she look stunning in this pin. And I don't really have many Jasmine pins. Actually, I only have this one now and one other one that I purchased at the parks, so I now have 2. Aladdin is looking cute as ever in his pin as well. And then we have Genie down there. Can you see him well? Looking cute with the magic carpet and everything. So I really love this little pin set, and I'm excited to put these on my pin board. The other 4 that I got, I have 2 trades and 2 mystery box purchases. So this first one is Jasmine, and I did trade her at the parks. Kind of matches those other Princess Hidden Mickey pins that I purchased. And she's kind of in a gemstone looking real cute. Then I have this one that matches that Pocahontas one that seems like it's missing its internal enamel. Still not 100% sure if that's a design choice or not, but either way, it's better than what I had because it didn't match my collection, and I can display this and decide to trade it later if I want to. Then I have this Current Mood Abu pin. This came in a mystery box collection, and Zoe really wanted this Abu pin, and then we ended up getting duplicates of it. So I took the extra one for mine. And then lastly, I have this BFF's Mystery Collection pin with Genie and Aladdin. Again, that came in a mystery box, and I'm really glad that I got that one, and I got an extra one to give to Zoe as well. So really excited about all of those, and I think that is everything, right? Yep. Those are all of the princess themed pins that I purchased, and oh my gosh, were there a million of them. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that subscribe button down below for more pin hauls. I've got many more coming to you. Also hit the like button down below if you enjoyed this. My social media links will be in the down bar below, as well as my Etsy shop where you can purchase these ears if you like them. Anyways, I literally am out of breath from filming this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.